know, we got this fancy little phone holder here, and I wish I could say I was not so scared of a little 2.3 liter 4-cylinder Mazda, you know, with the front end half put together, I think assembled honestly better than it is, you know, safely slide stock, but still just a little in the front, and the donut in the front doesn't help. But holy mackerel, you know, BMW is known as a driving machine. I love BMW. But Mazda, very impressive. So we are doing about, let's go down towards where we're going to be. Speed limit right now where we're at is 75 miles an hour. So the speeds that I'm going to be doing are totally not, you know, anything casual.
2 miles, take the exit to merge onto South Carolina Highway 22 east toward North Myrtle Beach.
Do not do what I do at home. I will not be held responsible for anybody's stupidity. 70 miles an hour, 3,000 RPMs. We're going to ease into it now. So we got 70, we're already at 80. Still at about 3/4 throttle, 85. 90, full throttle now. 95. Yeah, that's scary. That it just climbs. It doesn't feel like there's any end to it. It feels like it will go like a wind-up toy and just into infinity and beyond. Is how it really feels. And which is kind of sus to me because I feel like if I don't slam the pedal, I can accelerate even faster and harder. Footnote, this is the first manual that I
Use
have
the
ever
right
had.
lane to take the exit to merge onto South Carolina Highway 22 east toward North Myrtle Beach.
Thank you, sir. This is the first manual that I have ever had as a daily driver. And holy crap, am I glad that my first manual was like a Japanese car.
Take the exit.
It's absolutely fantastic. I love it. But holy shit, it's a little, you know, I'd say in the sketch meter of all the vehicles.
Use the right lane to keep right to merge onto
Ah,
South
yes,
Carolina
thanks,
Highway
Siri.
22 east
I know,
toward
thanks.
North Myrtle Beach.
Thanks. Really? Interrupting me while I'm goddamn talking. Thanks, Siri. Anyway, anywho. So yeah, this car's amazing. But like, it's honestly to a point where it's freakadelic.
Keep right.
Left. Kidding. Yo, guys, to all the car guys out there, you know, car guys at random, it never happens, guys. If any of you ladies see this online, this never happens in real life. Going now, Siri.
In 1.3 miles, keep right onto Kings Road.
That was kind of dope, because it's not like it was set to just answer me, it was just timing. Hello, Siri. So we're going to go to...
Stay in the middle lane.
We're going to stay in the middle lane is what we're going to do. How about that? But is this... Oh. Wrong lane. I swear it's like it's Southern State, but this is a bridge. Yeah. I don't think I need to try to exaggerate that. It's pretty obvious in that phone mode.
Use the right lane to keep right onto Kings Road.
Alright! Stop yelling at me! Alright, so welcome back to Goose and Gears when you're driving with ADHD and fucking annoying Siri. Tanger outlets. Here we go, guys. Kings Road. Kings Road. We're gonna go to 4th gear.
Keep right. Then turn right onto Kings Road.
I have a sticky stick. Maybe if I turn the volume down, it would sound like Siri's not yelling at me anymore. I think that would be great to use what I call common sense.
Use the right lane to turn onto Kings Road.
How about this? What if I said no? Like, what if I said no, Siri?
Turn right, then turn left.
It's optional.
You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
If you know, you know. Woohoo! I swear there is no Jeep Grand Cherokee down here that knows how to drive. Why is it always a Grand Cherokee though? I do not understand that. I can't fathom it. I mean, I think that was the same person that I've seen repeatedly do the same stupid thing. So it's kind of like one of those things where you should probably know better. And people always watching out for those Cadillacs with the banged up fenders that you're coming straight out with the front of your vehicle. Because this is South Carolina. People don't give a fuck out here. If we think we don't give up in New York, trust me. Man, they really don't give a fuck down here. Stand your ground. They can shoot you down here. They don't give a fuck down here.
Right.
Let's see after that ride how long we could just coast this car, because I'm just... Let me tell you, like, sketch meter from like 1 to 6 is at like a 6 trillion right now. I would love, actually at this point, I'm gonna say this way. I'm gonna go dig some, my time and research into Mazda and JDM cars, I think, in just general. This thing's a little wild. And it's a Mazda. Like, it's not a fast car. But it's the feeling of it just going... And you really didn't do anything but take the air cleaner out and put a wire from your negative terminal on the battery to the bolt on the throttle body. Yeah. Sure, there's some millennial car guys here that are like, why is he putting it on his throttle body? Anyway, yeah. Goose and gears. Catch you on the side, because I need to go change my underwear.